just reduced. We also talk so much, and we're going to be telling you because we're building up to a huge event. Not only the Eagles,
Oh yeah,
and a little Taylor Swift in there, who wasn't originally an Eagle. Maybe she still is, but I don't blame her. If, she's
I
in
understand.
love. We get it.
We get it.
We're girls. We got it.
We're
Taylor.
okay.
Don't
He's
worry.
hot. I get it.
Yeah, exactly. Glad you said that because we're all agreeing with you. But this weekend we're going to have our own big game around here. It has to do with fashion. But we talked a lot about spring, summer sweaters. How popular, how important they are, how you're seeing more of them than we have seen in many, many years. This is just reduced, first day that we've ever been able to present this and save you $28. It's now under $35. No reorder on this. Double extra small through 3X. That is your conch shell in pink. So that's shell and pink. 600 remain there. Oh, look at the starfish with the turquoise. Remember how we were talking neutral? 500 there. How fabulous is that? Oh, our palm tree black, we have 400 remaining. Look how good that is.
I was going to grab the sage.
Wow.
In the other
here,
pan.
let me get it.
As well.
Yeah.
So nice lightweight sweater. I believe this is a polyester cotton blend or acrylic.
It is 60 cotton, oh, wait a minute. Let me try it again.
Okay.
60 cotton, 40 acrylic knit.
Thank you. I'm going to steal that.
Yeah, please.
Lightweight, fine gauge, nice collar here with that almost a crew neck, but it's a little more open, so you don't have to worry about it being too much at the neckline. But you see the detail here? You see the nautical roping detail that we did there?
Wow.
In addition to this beautiful, I'm going to flip it inside out. This beautiful detail here. So, I mean, I'm really torn. Like, is it intarsia? Is it embroidered? Like, it's a little bit of both.
Fabulous.
In a way, you know? So, but I think maybe it's more embroidered. But I pulled out the sage in the returning straight leg because I like that combo as well. Right? Brings out the green. It's not exact, but it doesn't have to be. Why? Because fashion is fun.
Yeah, exactly.
And
you
so,
do you.
For me, Pat, I love a little bargain. And when my husband and I get to go to the Caribbean and we go to the resorts, we like all inclusive because we don't want to surprise at the end.
Yes,
we like to pay for it, know what we're getting, and that's it, right? But they always have these little boutiques. And Jean got a lot of her inspiration from the boutiques down in Florida. Boca,
I could see that,
West Palm Beach, Delray Beach, right? And so, Susan and our team get inspiration from all around. Susan also loves the beach, right? So here, you're getting that inspiration, but I see things like this when I go to those resorts.
Oh, yeah.
And I look at it, I look at the price. First of all, they never have plus sizes, right? Second of all, there's too many digits on the tag. And I'm I'm out. Gotta go, right?
Really expensive.
Really expensive. So with this, you're getting that fun detail, that beachy. I can hear the waves crashing.
You can wear this to work. You can wear it to to maybe somebody's graduating and they're going to have a graduation party, picnic. It's so good looking. And you know what? It's never going to go out of style. So, all right. So the shell is called shell pink, starfish, starfish turquoise, and palm tree black. Tell us what you need before they completely sell out.
It's adorable.
Yeah. That is adorable. All right. So here comes Miss Luann. And Luann is wearing our hot pit.